Hey guys, welcome to part two of how to register and set up ChatGPT for beginners. So, in my previous video, I showed you how to make an account in ChatGPT using your email address. But now I'm going to show you how to use it. So, go on ahead and open openai.com and go to ChatGPT, and this is where it will lead you. So, here it has examples. It stated its capabilities and also its limitations. But let's focus on the limitations. It says here it may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So let's try one of its limitations. Let's type in, for example, who is the current president of the Philippines? Take note that today is December 29th, 2022. Let's ask it that. And there you go. It says, I'm sorry, but I'm unable to provide current information as my training data only goes up until 2021. So you have to be careful when asking it questions after about events or things that happened after 2021 because it may not provide you with the right information. So you have to double check it. But let's try asking it a simpler question. For example, how was the solar system made? And there you go. It just automatically answers the question for me. And I can just copy paste this into whatever document that I need. And this is a wonderful site because it definitely revolutionizes how students could do their homework. And it's just very efficient and it would just make your lives easier. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.